Hello, and in the mini journals, this is number 5 of the approximately 6x5s soft cover fabric. This one's black with black fabric inside, and the little packet here has needles, paper clips, and a little helpy thread with some lace and a little flower, some buttons, all about a beginner's kit. There are 3 signatures. They're all basically the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages folded in half, making 10. So there'll be 30 pages to make your journals. Now, I have added little things, like this one has an Uno wild card, and it has a Pacific Avenue Monopoly card. I have Monopoly money, one of each I put in here. There's a tag and a flower. I think this is out of a magazine, I believe. And I put a little Garfield. This came off of a calendar back. And this came out of a book. And this, my fussy cut it out of a book. This came off of some box or something. Forever Flawless. This is a game card. These 2 little magazine extra pretty pages. A bird card. This little butterfly punch. I made this a while back, and it could be an envelope, or you could just use it like this. These punches here out of music paper, and the little packet of punches and things, just a little extra stuff in there. And that is number 5. Thank you for watching. Bye.